Let's set up the seal brake gain from scratch. First, we'll set up all the parameters here to get a base to work with. These parameters control gain UI and the types of gains available. Let's start with the default UI. The seal brake gain comes with a built-in preloader, so a graphic for that scene's background is required. After this, we need to set normal backgrounds. We'll just use the same as the preloader. For the brake time gauge, file is the scalable gauge and background file is the gauge bar. The screen position is controlled by the position of the bar graphic. We'll fine-tune placements later. We use the Select window to select the brake type to perform as set in the game. Seal power represents the completion of that brake type. For now, we'll add a window to display total number of brake attempts remaining as keys. For buttons, for now, we'll only set the graphic. Let's set up the brake target now. For the type configuration, pay attention to the parameters. Type unique name and append file name. Append file name will add the text _ escape to the default escape graphic file name. Type unique name is the reference name to load these settings when this brake type is called. Finally, we'll set up the game. Ensure your identifier is unique. We can set up a custom UI similar to how we set up the default UI, but now is not the time for that. Target name should match what we set in parameters. This includes letter case. Ignore the background parameter. Now let's set up the break types for the game. For the name here, keep it unique. Follow along for the rest of the setup. The graphic here is drawn over the target and will disappear if that type is broken. Break graphics parameter allows for an extra background layer when doing this type break. If using multiple types, we can set a requirement for the other type to be broken first. With our type setup, we'll finish the rest of the game setup and move on. Attempts is the number of break tries a player can do. With the game setup, we'll finish up with the main parameters. For the benefit of MV users, we'll start the game using a script call. The UI looks like absolute garbage. We'll need to do significant adjustments. You can follow along with my adjustments or you can make your own specific to your project. I will be doing adjustments for resolution 1280 by 720. Significantly better, but still terrible. Still not it. On a side note, to get rid of the arrows for the selector window, just increase the height. Just the buttons and the brake gauge to go, as well as animation position. Just a little more adjustments. Let's get that gauge now and be done with this. Nice, barely passable UI design. Now let's have an event play on success and on failure. Success event works. And failure event works as well. And that's how you set up the game. Thanks for watching.